A word meditation is not meant actually what I want to express to you. I am telling you a Sanskrit word. Dhyan. Dhyan is the word which has no parallel word in any other language. People, they tried to translate, but it was not possible last 2500 years. All the translations of the word are not actually that word what it means. Gautam Buddha was using word Jhan. It is the same word. It is the same word Dhyan. Jhan. With the same meaning inside. He was using the word Jhan because he was using Pali language, a local people language, because he wanted to throw out the priesthood. He wanted that local people understands him directly. There is no middleman necessity. They should understand direct what it is. His whole concern was that this priesthood should be overthrown. And it is right for certain things. You don't need priesthood. Only you yourself have to do. No other can do for you. You can understand like this: if you have a lover, if you have a girlfriend, if you have a boyfriend, you cannot send somebody else to love. You will have to love yourself. You will have to eat yourself. You will have to sleep for yourself. You cannot have servant for that. Or you cannot have priest for that. Some are things which you have to do yourself. If it would be possible, then all the rich men, they would not involve themselves in the greasy affair of love. They would be free. They could send servant to love. But when we talk about love, it rather feels to you a kind of joke, how it is possible. But when we talk about religion, when we talk about meditation, you all agree that it might be possible. Priest can do for you. Some things you have to do for your own. You can go on theorizing, you can go on make theories and theories, you can go on contemplating. But this contemplating, theorizing, of certain topic, of certain things, is actually not what meditation is actually not what dhyan is.